Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evan, I'm 25 years old and I'm a fitness trainer, trader, and motivational mindset coach. On this channel, I'm planning on posting vlogs, day in the lives, and trading analysis or weekly chart breakdowns. So if you're interested in one of those topics, you just found the right channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, also leave a like, maybe comment if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more of this content. So I just woke up a few hours ago, I drank my coffee, I got ready, and I already started working on my goals. So the plan for today is gonna be that I'm gonna go to the pool, just enjoy the sun and the weather outside with my girlfriend. And then later I have a call with one of my students. And then after that, I'm gonna show you guys the weekly chart breakdown of the pairs that I trade. Now the pairs that I trade is GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and gold. So you will be getting weekly analysis on those pairs. My strategy is mainly price action, Fibonacci, trend lines, and support and resistance zones. So I would say let's get right into it. This is more like a little vlog, day in the lifestyle, plus the chart breakdown. So I hope you enjoy it and see you on the next one. Peace! So we are currently staying at this beautiful condo in Tulum. And today is a chill day. Usually we go outside and do other stuff, and I'm gonna take you with me the next time. But for today, I'm gonna show you the view. So just look at this, guys. Crazy view. Beautiful here. Super grateful. So we are currently on the way to the pool, and we will also breakfast. Let's go.
Here are cards. There are messages of wisdom from the universe to you, and you have to take one card.
This one. Pleasure is everything. Look at this, guys. Our breakfast just arrived. We have avocado toast and then a pink bowl. There's like a bunch of good fruits in there and also kiwi. So we're just gonna enjoy this. So I just got home, took a shower, and now I'm getting ready for the mentorship call with my student. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's currently Sunday and I'm gonna do the weekly breakdown on the pairs that I said. So we will start with GBPJPY. So as you can see here, this is a pair on the weekly time frame because I always start on the weekly time frame to see where price is heading and how it's moving. So as you can see right now, we have a big area of resistance right here, and also up here. So this is the highest the price reached in those weeks, but it always managed to close below this resistance right here. So we had one huge rejection here, second time here, and a third here. So this could be a possible like head and shoulder pattern where we see a left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder, which means that price could continue crashing down maybe into this support and resistance zone right here. Also, we have like a huge bearish momentum candle that's going down with a huge wick to the upside, rejecting the bulls. So after the weekly time frame, we go down into the daily time frame. And here we can also see like during the last week, we had a lot of bearish volume pushing down price once it hit this major resistance zone. So right now, currently we are trading at a previous resistance and support zone, as you can see here. Like when you go back in time, here was resistance, support, support. It broke below resistance, resistance. So right now, what we could expect is either price could push up from this area right here to at least here, and then maybe continue bearish, or we could see price stay below here, maybe even break down a little more, retest this zone and verify it as resistance, and then continue down. Because currently I'm not seeing buys. I will only see buys if we break above this zone right here, like the previous lower high, which would be like price has to break up here, then maybe come down into this zone, retest, and then continue higher. But my bias overall, like I said, is more like bearish right now. I would only look to buy if we manage to close above this zone right here. Like if we close around here and then we see a retest and it holds as support, I could take a small buy here, up here, but only with low risk. But what I'm ideally waiting for is for price to continue or stay below here and then break down for sells. So now we continue with GBP USD. So this pair right here has been bearish since a lot of weeks, particularly since since June 2021. So it's already been like over a year since it has been bearish. So on this pair, ideally only sell unless you want to take like quick scalps on the buys. So we start on the weekly time frame. We closed in a bearish engulfing. We are currently at a major support area where price, like this is the lowest price has ever gotten, and it even managed to break even further than this last low that was on in 2020 in April. So there are two possibilities as always. So we could see price like continue even lower. But it would have to come up into this zone that was previously support and is currently broken. So maybe we can wait for a retest into the zone and then sell it down from here. Or we could see a close above this zone, wait for a smaller retest, and then look to buy up here, but with low risk since this would be a counter trend. So I think that price will continue bearish from here. If not, then we could, like I said, you would have to wait for price to come. So to verify like the trend break to a bullish trend, price would have to break this lower high here, close, maybe even ideally close above this resistance zone here, come down to retest, and then on this area here, I would be more like confident to buy up. But before that happens, I'm only going to look for sells. So I will either sell at this zone, sell at this zone here, sell it down. Oops. Or wait for the break and retest for buys. And then the last pair is gold. So gold has also been very bearish in the last few weeks. We have a beautiful trend line that goes down here, symbolizing that we are currently on a downtrend, obviously. So then we go down to the daily time frame. So I have marked off my support and resistance on the daily time frame, and we have currently broken previous support. So here we had support, 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 and then support was broken. So what I'm currently waiting on, which I think will be a great trade if it really plays out, is for the retest of the previous support to hold as resistance, and then sell it down into the next support level, which would be the 1644-ish level. And yeah, if we should break the 1644 level, then I will wait for a break, retest to continue selling down. If not, if we should break above this zone right here, I will wait for price to reject this zone, maybe even sell from that zone here. But if it should here hold this support, then I could see to like maybe buy a short term up here or maybe even here, but that would be more of a riskier trade. So I'm only looking for sells, and the ideal sell, like I said, is if price reaches this zone here and then continues even lower. And yeah, that's pretty much it to the weekly analysis. We'll see each other next week. I'll post another weekly analysis. Peace.